When creating or viewing a transaction, QuickBooks Online does not show the entire journal entry. If you want to see a full journal entry, we'll use the transaction detail. Let's create a sale for a product. Note that QBO does not show every account affected by the transaction, such as cost of goods sold. We can find this information in the transaction journal. Go to More and select Transaction Journal. That's it. If you haven't already, please subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next Quick Hit.